So good day. Today I will show you my MATLAB exercise number 4 time response. Let me share my screen. So here's the first part. This is its output when you run it. So for part 1, this is plotting responses for different second order system. This code iterates through various second order system responses with varying values for the constant terms in the denominator. Then each subplot shows the each step response of a system. The next part 2 na. Wait, so I'll rerun it. Sorry. Sorry, the plots. So for part 2, the test run and complete run. So for the test run, this section defines a transfer function with specific numerator and denominator, coefficient, and displays its step response. The title indicates that this is a test run to verify the code's functionality. Then, dun sa complete run, this section defines three transfer functions with different damping coefficients. Yung T1, T2, T3 with different damping coefficients. So the step responses of each system, the C1, C1T, C2T, C3T are plotted together. A separate plot displays the combined step response of all three systems. Excuse me. So for conclusion, the code effectively generates step response of various second-order systems. The first part showcases the impact of the constant term on the response. The second part demonstrates the step response of the three systems with different damping ratios, allowing for comparison of their behavior. By analyzing these responses, engineers can gain insights into the system's dynamic behavior and stability. That's all. Thank you.